Light. It's more than just what our eyes see. Light carries information, secrets whispered by the universe. One way we unlock these secrets is with spectrophotometers. These amazing devices use light to reveal the hidden identities of substances. Whether it's the vibrant pigments in a flower or the composition of a distant star, spectrophotometers help us understand the world around us. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of spectrophotometry. Spectrophotometers work their magic by harnessing the power of the electromagnetic spectrum. This spectrum encompasses a wide range of radiation, from invisible gamma rays to radio waves. Spectrophotometers focus on a specific region, ultraviolet (UV) and visible (vis) light. Here's how it works. A beam of light is shown through a sample. Some light passes through, while some is absorbed. The spectrophotometer measures how much light is absorbed at different wavelengths. This absorption pattern, like a fingerprint, is unique to each substance, revealing its identity and concentration. Just like there are different tools for different jobs, there are various types of spectrophotometers. Some are simple and portable, perfect for quick analyses in the field. Others are sophisticated laboratory instruments capable of incredibly precise measurements. Two main categories are single-beam and double-beam spectrophotometers. Single-beam instruments measure the intensity of light before and after it passes through the sample. Double-beam spectrophotometers split the light beam, passing one beam through the sample and the other through a reference. This allows for more accurate measurements by accounting for any fluctuations in the light source. One particular spectrophotometer, the Spectronic 20, deserves a special mention. This iconic instrument has been a mainstay in laboratories for decades. Known for its simplicity, reliability, and affordability, the Spectronic 20 is often the first spectrophotometer encountered by budding scientists. It operates in the visible light range and uses a simple design to measure the absorbance and transmittance of light through a liquid sample. Despite its age, the Spectronic 20 remains a valuable tool for teaching basic spectrophotometry principles and performing routine analyses. Now, let's delve into how spectrophotometers help us unravel the mysteries of the material world. One key application is determining the concentration of a substance in a solution. By measuring how much light is absorbed at a specific wavelength, we can calculate the amount of the substance present. This is crucial in fields like chemistry, biology, and medicine, where precise measurements are essential. Spectrophotometers can also be used to identify unknown substances by comparing their absorption spectra to known standards. This is like matching fingerprints at a crime scene, allowing scientists to identify everything from pollutants in water to pigments in ancient artifacts. The applications of spectrophotometry are incredibly diverse, stretching far beyond the laboratory bench. In forensics, spectrophotometers analyze bloodstains, fibers, and other trace evidence, helping to solve crimes. In medicine, they monitor blood glucose levels, diagnose diseases, and even guide surgeons during delicate procedures. Environmental scientists rely on spectrophotometers to assess water quality, track pollution, and study climate change. And astronomers use these powerful instruments to analyze the light from distant stars and galaxies, revealing their composition, temperature, and movement. Using a spectrophotometer might sound intimidating, but it's actually quite straightforward. First, you need to calibrate the instrument using a blank solution, which sets a baseline measurement. Next, you prepare your sample and place it in a cuvette, a special transparent container designed for spectrophotometry. The cuvette is then inserted into the spectrophotometer, and the instrument measures the absorbance or transmittance of light through the sample. The results are displayed on a screen or printed out, providing valuable information about the substance being analyzed. It's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully to ensure accurate and reliable results. Like any piece of scientific equipment, spectrophotometers require proper care and maintenance to ensure optimal performance. Regular cleaning is crucial to prevent contamination and ensure accurate readings. The cuvettes should be handled with care to avoid scratches or smudges that can interfere with light transmission. Calibration should be performed regularly to maintain the instrument's accuracy, and any issues or malfunctions should be addressed promptly by qualified technicians. By following the manufacturer's recommendations for maintenance and troubleshooting, you can keep your spectrophotometer running smoothly for years to come. Spectrophotometry has revolutionized the way we see and understand the world around us. From uncovering the secrets of matter to solving crimes and exploring the cosmos, these versatile instruments have become indispensable tools in countless fields. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative applications of spectrophotometry to emerge. Whether it's developing new medical treatments, designing more efficient solar cells, or searching for life on other planets, spectrophotometry will continue to illuminate the path of scientific discovery for generations to come.